right, so everything looks, no, I was about to say everything looks dry now that I'm stepping in here. No, it's still wet. I guess it's going to be wet regardless because, it's the earth. But, I think I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to try to put the tarp down. Not the tarp. I'm going to try to put the landscape fabric down. And I say try because no one is here to help me lift this. So we shall see if I am actually able to put it down. And I was also thinking about putting some bricks in here. I don't know. We'll see if I actually put some bricks in here or not. Not bricks. Maybe they were called bricks, like cement, like squares. I don't know what they're called. I literally just went to Home Depot and looked at them, and I can't remember the proper name for them. Anyways, let me try to put this landscape fabric down. You know what I just realized? I didn't bring any scissors, and since my sister isn't home, we'll see. I have yet to put anything in this greenhouse. I'm not sure if I can put my seedlings in there or not. Like, they just germinated. They just came out of the soil. I don't know if it's still too cold or if I can go ahead and put them in there. I also need to still buy a plastic shelf. I was going to go with wood or metal, but I think I'm just going to go and stick with plastic because plastic is going to be easier to clean if anything gets on it. Whereas the metal ones will rust and the wood ones will decay. So yeah, I'm going to go with plastic shelving. But as soon as I get the plastic shelving, I am going to bring my seedlings that I started at my sister's house. That I started at my house over to my sister's house. So do I have to have like a heater in here when I have my little seedlings in there? I am going to have a lot of questions when it comes to using my greenhouse, you guys. So be prepared. Right now, my seedlings are sitting on the heating mat and they are becoming leggy. I do need to get some in-house shelving as well. And then I also already have my grow light. So the ones that are becoming leggy, I'm going to just put under the grow light. I wish I could show you guys. I wish I had to take a picture so you guys can see it. But one of the little seedlings is so leggy. I was like, oh my goodness. So anyways, yeah, I have to hurry up and get them off of that heating mat and put them under the grow light. I got some scissors. Let's cut this off. Oh, she got some janky scissors. I'm not going to lie, I was struggling to put this landscaping fabric up under the greenhouse. I picked this landscaping fabric up from Ollie's. I don't know if you have an Ollie's in your area, but Ollie's is like, if you guys remember Big Lots back in the day, that's what Ollie's reminds me of. So it's like that type of store. They've having some good gardening stuff for a very low price. They sell like closeout items that other stores that have closed out. So yeah, I got this landscaping fabric for only $7 at Ollie's, and I guess it's a good quality. I don't know. The other landscaping fabric I had picked up was from Lowe's, and I spent a good amount of money on it. It was like $15 or $20 when I had picked up that other landscaping fabric from Lowe's. I don't think I'm gonna have enough of these. I think I'm gonna have to go to Lowe's right up the street. Not sure if you guys can see what I was showing you, but they're just the landscaping pins. Yeah, I'm most definitely going to have to go get some more of these pins. I still have not harvested any kale or any collards or a broccoli. The only thing I have harvested from my fall garden is spinach, but patience is a virtue. Patience is a virtue. I am going to be starting my tomato and pepper seeds. I might start my cucumber seeds the first weekend of March. I'm not 100% sure. I have to look and see if it's okay to start them. But yeah, you guys, I am getting super excited about my spring garden. This year, when I move my tomato plants over to my sister's house, I will not be putting them in grow bags. My tomato plants did not do well in grow bags, so I might have to get like another raised bed, a taller one, and put them in there. But yeah, my tomatoes did not like growing in grow bags. Now, my peppers My green peppers, or well, not green peppers, my bell peppers did excellent in the grow bag. So I will be putting my bell peppers back into a grow bag. And I'm also going to try to grow some jalapenos. My sister likes jalapenos, and so does my niece. My niece loves spicy stuff. I do not, you guys. But I said, hey, I'll try to grow them for them as well. And there was another spicy pepper my sister wanted me to grow. I can't remember the name of it. I do already have the pepper seeds, so I'm gonna just plant them, and the next time I am showing you guys my seeds, I will show you the type of peppers that she wants. They're like the red, very skinny, are they chili peppers? Yeah, I don't know what they're called. I don't like spice, like super spicy food. So yeah, when it comes to spicy food, it's a no. A couple of months ago, I had made some chili oil, and it was too spicy. It was too spicy. I ended up giving it to my sister and my niece, and now they are wanting me to make some more for them because they absolutely loved it. You guys, that crap was like way too spicy for me. Way too spicy. I also want to try to start canning stuff. Since I'm going to be growing tomatoes, I want to learn how to like can my own tomato sauce and salsa, and I've seen people can like whole tomatoes, so that's what I want to give a go at. I wanted to just get the electric canner. Let me know if you in the comments down below if you guys use like the canner that you have to put on your stove, or the electric canner. The electric canner, of course, does not hold as many as the pot well that you put on your stove, but I haven't seen anyone complain about it. I have been watching a lot of videos. I haven't really done any research on it other than watching a lot of YouTube videos. So we'll see if I get the electric one or if I will stick with one that goes on top of the stove. All right, so I'm about to go to Lowe's and get some more of these landscape pins because I'm all out. But first, let me go see if my sister has some shoes in her garage, so I can change my nasty muddy shoes. And I'm also going to show you guys even though I was at Home Depot earlier, I'm going to show you guys the bricks. I'm assuming that they're called bricks that I was talking about. So let's go on ahead and go to Lowe's. All right, so these are the things that I was talking about. All right, so these are what, dang it, every time I try to talk, their intercom comes on. Okay, so these are what I am talking about. They're only $1.88, but I feel like I need about maybe 20 of them. I don't know. But these are what I was talking about. I saw them at Home Depot. Home Depot didn't have these ones. I like these ones too. I feel like it'd be, these are rectangle and these ones are square. I have an idea in my head, and I think I am actually going to go with the rectangle ones. Let me know if it will be smart to actually put some of these down. I honestly do not know. And I also thought about putting some like pebbles down. Let's go see. Here are like the rocks, pebbles. I don't know, y'all. Oh, this is gravel. I was thinking about putting something down like this. But then I would need like so many bags of this, and this stuff is not cheap. So no, we're going to stick to those, either the square ones or the rectangle ones. But let me find those landscape pins. Now, because I want the greenhouse to be a little taller than what I am, I was thinking about getting the rectangle ones, maybe doubling them up. So I'm thinking about putting them under just the greenhouse. Like the greenhouse will sit on top of the rectangle ones, but I will put two, like one on top of another, and then have the greenhouse sit up a little more, simply because I feel like I'm like the same height of this greenhouse, and when I'm in there, I'm forever tilting my head. And also it might give the shelving that I'm gonna purchase a little bit more room as well. Granted, I don't have to put the shelving up super tall, but you know. All right, you guys, I'm finished. It looks crooked. It is crooked. I'm finished though. All right, I think I straightened it out. All right, so I am done. So what, I just talked to my sister, she just got home. So what I am thinking about doing is I'm going to show you how we have the shed back here. And I'm thinking about doing the same thing. I'm going to continue to keep this landscape fabric down, but let me show you guys the shed. So for the shed, we have them on pallets. I think it's 4 pallets, or maybe it's, yeah, it's four, I think 4 pallets under here. And then we have this board, and then we put the shed on top of the board. So I'm thinking about doing the same thing to the greenhouse. I don't know. Let me know if that'll be a good idea. Instead of doing the bricks. I feel like I should do that instead of doing the bricks, because the bricks are going to make it like this isn't that tall. So I'm already like, I'm already tall, as tall as the greenhouse basically. So this, if I do the pallets just like that, that's going to lift up the greenhouse too. So I think that's the route I'm going to go. But let me turn the camera around. Yeah, it has been a struggle today. But anyways, thank you all so very much for watching today. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys all in my next one. Bye. Let's go ahead on to Lowe's. Let's go ahead and go on the mode.